Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. As we were discussing about the small business, dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about the criteria which is fixed by the central government for classification of micro enterprises, small enterprises, and medium enterprises. Now, dear students, today we will start the discussion about the role of small scale industries in socio-economic development of India. Dear students, as we know that in each and every country, small scale industries are always in a large number or a huge number, which contributes in which contributes in the economic development of that country. So today we will study about that how the small scale industries are contributing or playing a vital role in socio-economic development of the India. In this term, dear students, first of all, we will discuss about the employment opportunities. In small scale industries, dear students, these are second largest employers of human resource after agriculture. It has 95% of industrial unit in the country, and these enterprises are labor intensive and labor is available in abundance amount in rural areas of the India. So dear students, after the agriculture, this is the main sector which is providing the employment to the human being or to the laborers, because most of the small scale industries are based on labor intensive, very less are based on capital intensive, because most of the work is going to be done by the laborers. Very few techniques and machines are involved over there. Now dear students, the next importance for socio-economic development of India of a small scale, sorry, the next importance of a small scale industries in socio-economic development of India, that is variety of product. Dear students, the small scale industries produces an enormous variety of goods. For example, ready-made garments, stationery shop, stationery, shops, leathers goods, plastic and rubber goods. So dear students, these goods are produced by the small scale industries or small industries in India at a large number. Now if we are talking about the export business, so dear students, the share of the product from SSI is 45% of the total export from India. So it earns valuable foreign exchange and solve the problem of balance of payment and balance of trade, because as we can see that today India is supplying leather goods, plastic goods, ornaments in different countries, and due to providing or due to supplying the goods to different countries, it is creating a kind of foreign currency which is helping to reduce the burden of the foreign exchange and contributing in growth and development of the Indian economy too. Now the next term, or we can say the next rule of small industries are balanced regional development. Dear students, SSI can be set anywhere in the country. SSI means small scale industries. So small scale industries can be set everywhere in country. They use local resources, and since we have already discussed about the requirement of the capital and labors and technologies about in small industries. So as we know that it requires very less capital, simple technologies are required, and very less labors are required, and it uses local resources most of the time. That's why it also creates, or it also helps in balancing the regional development. Otherwise, if these small scale industries are not there, then some of the part of the country may be undeveloped, or industrialization of that part cannot be taken place. So dear students, for regional development, it is creating, or it is playing a vital role for creating regional development, or for making the balance in regional development. Otherwise, it may happen that if small industries are not there, then it may happen that some part of the country will be highly developed and some part of the country will be undeveloped. Now, next term, that is complementary to large scale industries. So SSI supply various types of components, spare parts, tools or loose tools, etc., which are required by large scale industries too. For example, if USA company is manufacturing fan, then the required coil, condenser and bearing, these small items are going to be supplied to the USA company by so many small industries. And USA company is only making the design and framing the shape of the, or designing of the fan, so that it looks better, and USA company is simply assembling all these items and creating a benchmark on the basis of, or on the support, or due to support of some small scale industries. Now dear students, next term, that is quick and timely decision. As we know that due to a small size of organization, quick and timely decision can be taken without consulting many people. So here decision can be taken fastly and without the help of much more people. Now dear students, the next rule of the small industries in socio-economic development, that is development of entrepreneurship. SSI provides opportunity of young men and women to start their own business. As we know that today our Prime Minister is organizing youth causal development, or youth skill development program, and in this term Prime Minister is promoting all those people who are engaged in their own work, or those people who are doing a creative work for growth and development of the Indian economy. So dear students, these were few basic points which I have discussed today regarding the contribution of small industries in growth and development of the socio-economic development of India. Now today we will finish it over here. Tomorrow we will start the discussion of role of a small business in rural India. Till then, thank you.